Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2015 Cobalt R3. Boat is absolutely stunning and shows and looks as new. The hull is flawless. She has a Volvo V8 with the Ocean X drive, dual stainless steel props. She has the wakeboard platform and of course dual flip-flop seats. She has the nice bimini. Walking down the port rub rail for you. Boat is very attractively priced, and on top of that, the owner, since the trailer does not convey, the owner is offering transportation within reason. This is your chance to get a top-of-the-line boat at a less than top-of-the-line price. Thank you for taking time to view the 2015 Cobalt R3. She sits here in Destin, Florida.